Revolution is an inalienable right of mankind. Freedom is imperishable birthright of all. I am Menaka. Pranam to all my soul friends, Atma Bandhu. What exactly does freedom means? Freedom is an innate right which women have since their birth. Freedom is not something that can be touched, seen, felt or reached. All this give a vague idea about freedom. Different people have different opinion, different definitions, different thoughts about the idea of freedom. Some talk about definition in political sense, some talk about social freedom, some talk about personal independence, some will define religious freedom. But in fact that everyone wants to be free holds true in all cases. Freedom is a choice to live life doing what one wants, live where one wants, eat by own choice and learn what one's heart desires. Freedom can apply to different aspects of life. Freedom is to respect and not just live free. All societies define freedom in their own light and people enjoy their cultures. Enjoying our freedom does not mean that we disregarded the right of other people. Live the way we feel right, which we have considered to the other rights of people around us when living our freedom. Society encourage of freedom of opinion, belief, thoughts, expressions, choices, etc. are the ones where creative minds flourish. Freedom does not come with independence. Freedom is also an appreciate of beauty of nature and environment around us. A person who is worried and anxious cannot be free at mind, cannot enjoy the beauty of lonely moonlit sky and pleasant music of the birds singing at the sunset. Freedom is a all state of your mind. It implies that your mind is under no fears or compulsion safety in life. Education does not make us free. Freedom has no particular definition. It has the opportunity to act freely and personify ideas. In other views, it is about the possibility of doing what you want to do, regardless of the impact on the other people. From social perspective, freedom definitely something that a person is free to do, abiding by social custom and law of the country. As a popular, your freedom ends where mine begins. All of us have our own thoughts, ideas of being free. Some freedom is specific to the age of groups we fall into. A child is free to the lovely and cared by parents. Some other family members played around. This nurturing may be the freedom to a child. Similarly, to a youngsters, to a teen, freedom may be with their friends, enjoying group activities. Some teens wants to be involved in social service, contribute to freely to poor. Old age people may seek security of life and health, and they want to spend good time with their grandchildren. Involving social and religious activities, believe it there to be freedom. Friends, God gave us freedom for free. We must do our best maintenance and keep this right. Freedom is not a freedom, it is a responsibility. Thank you.